Alright, what's up everyone? This your boy, Master Key the Trader. What we about to do in this short, quick video is we gonna go over how to read any chart and know what stage the market is in and know what to do. And we're gonna break it down into four simple stages. And that way you gonna know how to read any chart in any market on any time frame. It's really simple. People make it hard. So right now this is the Russell. We're gonna jump right into it. Looks random, right? What about this one? Hold on. Stock. Let's see. Any stock. We're gonna click it. How about Tesla? Remove the drawings. Look like some random price action, right? It all look random, I know. What about, let's try another one out. What about a future? Well, we already looked at a future. What about the Forex market? Euro USD. Zoom out. Looks random, right? I'm sure that all looks random. I'm looking up here at my monitor. That's why I'm looking up. And last but not least, a crypto. But what about crypto? Bitcoin. All that. Look at that. That looks random, right? Okay, well, before this video is over, you're gonna know how to read these charts like a pro. So let's jump right into it. The first thing you need to do to read any chart is get the chart naked. See, right now I don't have anything on the chart but candlesticks. If you don't know what candlesticks are, I got another video I'm gonna drop about that. But if you're familiar with candlesticks, stay tuned. So first thing you do, take all the indicators off. Get you one indicator. The only one you need is this black brown line, whatever color that is. Um, the 50 period simple moving average. That's the only thing you will need to put on your chart is the 50 period simple moving average. It doesn't matter what time frame you're on, just the 50 period simple moving average. Now, when you're looking at these, you pretty much want to see what the 50 period SMA is doing. Is it going up? Is it going sideways or is it going down? Why? Because the market can only do one of three things at any given time. It can go up, that's one. It can go down, that's two, or it can go sideways, that's three. That's all it can do. And we're gonna break this down into four simple stages. And let's jump over to another one. We're gonna work backwards. So now that you know, step number one is identify what stage the market is in. So let's jump over here and we're gonna do some drawings real quick. So stage one is accumulation. This is what accumulation looks like. Let me see if I can draw. File. Nah, that's not how I really want that. Hold on. All right. So I'm back on trading view and I'm just at a blank spot on the chart and I'm just about to draw it up real quick. Stage one is accumulation. This is when the market is going sideways but is getting ready to buy up. So what you will see is price going like this. You'll see it kind of bouncing around in a range. And what you will do is, all you'll do is draw you a box, rectangle, and boom, you'll put one. Now, how do you tell the difference between a one and a three? We'll get to that. So when the market is doing this and you can draw a clear box around it, that's stage one. Stage one happens when large institutions or big money, they're buying low. And a lot of times you don't know this is stage one until it breaks out into stage two. But that leads us into the next one. This is accumulation phase. So just remember, when we're going sideways, we can draw a box. 9 times out of 10, we are in accumulation. So boom, stage one is accumulation. We only got three more. We already almost there. Boom. After accumulation, you get what? Let's go back here. Boom. Stage two, the uptrend. You get the uptrend once everybody, all the big money has bought and is the stock, crypto, the future, the option is ready to go. Boom. Then you will see price break out and it'll start to do this. Make higher highs and higher lows. That right there, my friends, that is called an uptrend. Boom. So we're gonna write stage two, uptrend. This is when you want to be buying more than you selling. Why? Because you got the wind at your back and the stock, future, forex, whatever you trade option is going up and it's clear. You want to buy low, sell high. You want to buy dips. So in this phase, that's when you can draw something like a trend line. If you're familiar with the market, that's when you can draw lines like this. You may be able even to draw a channel like this, but the stock is clearly going up on the chart. And you'll see when we put the 50 period moving average on there, you're going to see. So stage two is the uptrend. Stage three is the distribution. And this is how you can tell the difference between a stage one and a stage three, because this one gonna go sideways too, right? So boom, you'll see the stock, whatever you trade, it'll go like this. It'll start to do this. And you'll see you'll start to be buying pullbacks, but they won't really be making new highs or new lows, but it'll pretty much be trading in the range just like this after an uptrend. More than likely, well, I ain't gonna say more than likely because you really gotta wait in this point. You can jump the gun, but hey, to each his own. I don't jump the gun, but this is a stage three distribution. This is when you can draw a box like this, and the highs and the lows in that box are fairly the same. Sometimes it's gonna break out a little bit and come back in, but for the most part, it's gonna look just like this. This is a stage three distribution phase. All right. This is when big money is getting out, and 9 times out of 10, retail or dumb money is trying to get in because they're just now recognizing this is an uptrend and they're getting in late. Smart money dumping it on them, and they're just holding it up until they can get off all their position, and it's about to tank on you. So, boom, we identify this as stage three. Sometimes it'll break out if it's really strong. Sometimes it will break back out. What was I drawing? Sometimes it'll do this and it'll go break back out, but not all the time. But more than likely, you're gonna get this right here. The stage four. Hold on. So we got the stage one accumulation, stage two the uptrend, stage three the distribution, and stage four after distribution, after everybody has gotten out, made the money, you get what? Boom, the downtrend. Boom. And you will see the stock clearly be making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower low, lower high, and so on until you get a capitulation bottom. You know what I'm saying? Something like that. If you don't know what I'm saying, check out my other videos or just hit me up. I'll explain it to you. Um, and you'll get a downtrend where you can draw a clear downtrend line and your 50 will be pointing down and you'll just know, okay, this is going down and I need to be selling. And here you have it. Well, let me type that out. Boom. Here you have it. Stage four downtrend. This is all the market can do. It can either go sideways, like I said. This is one thing. It can go up. That's two. Going back sideways, that's the same thing as going sideways down here. It's just in a different spot on the chart. And or it can go into a downtrend. That's the third thing it can do. It can only do these three things. So all you trying to do, all I do, this is how I became a profitable trader. I broke it down and made it simple in my eyes, and this is how it works for me. Identify the stage correctly. If you can correctly identify the stage, then you have a better chance of putting on a high probability trade because you know what the market is attempting to do or what phase it's in. So you know what pressure is the strongest. So when buying pressure is strong, you want to be buying. When selling pressure is strong, you want to be selling. So now, you don't believe me that this is all the market can do. We're gonna go with some live examples and then we're gonna be done. So watch this. On any time frame. So boom. You trade crypto, you exit out of that. You trade crypto, cool. Let's go to crypto. The reason I got the 50 period simple moving average on there is because that just gives you a it's like um training wheels. It gives you a visual indicator of kind of where you at without you having to draw boxes and lines and stuff. And when you see price bouncing around, that 59 times out of 10 is in that trading range. So let's drop down to a 1 minute chart. Now let's go back to the daily. Hold on. Let me go to the right edge of the chart. And all right, we're gonna go back a little bit. I had to see where I was at. All right. So this is great right here. So let's just start right here. Boom. What stage is this? Well, after the market been going down, boom. Once we make a lower low, lower high, we get an equal low, equal high, 50 going flat. If we can draw this box, boom, we in stage one. Boom. And remember what I said, it's not gonna be exactly to the touch. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes it's gonna make a higher low and come back up to the top of the range. Sometimes it's gonna break out just a little bit and come back into the range. It's not gonna be perfect, but we can clearly identify this as stage one. So boom, that's stage one. It breaks out of the box. Boom, we go into stage four. We probably should be selling. This is on the daily chart. We go into stage four. It breaks that range. We can take a line and clearly draw a downtrend. Boom. You can even draw it like this, however you like to draw a downtrend, but you clearly know you should be selling. Boom. Kind of go sideways again. You can draw another box. Now you in stage one. Keep drawing the box until it breaks out. Boom. Oh, we break out. We in stage two. Stage two is what? The uptrend. We looking to buy. Boom. Higher highs, higher low. Boom. We go into a range. Go into stage three. This could be distribution. Remember what I said? We're waiting on it to break out. Boom. It doesn't break down. It goes back into stage two. Boom. It's going up again. Stage two. You see? Okay. You say, hey, that's just Bitcoin. Go to another chart. Uh, didn't mean to do that. We're gonna go to another chart. I'm gonna try to wrap this up real soon. I don't want this video being too long, but what if you trade futures? I trade futures. Let's go to the ES. Love the ES. Remove these drawings. Now you say, hold on. What if there's just, you know, the daily chart? All right, let's drop down to the 1 minute. Gonna have to zoom in because it's about to be hella small. All right, boom. All right, so now we on the 1 minute, and let's see what we got. I'm just going back to a random spot. Uh, look like the market closed right there. Oh yeah, that's like 1 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, price not gonna look right. at those times like that. It ain't let me go back that far. All right, that's cool. We'll start right here. All right, boom. Where's my 50? Made a mistake and took my 50 off of there. All right, so I got my 50 back on there, and boom. So look like we had an announcement coming out. Sure, if y'all just now seeing charts, y'all probably don't know why that candle's so big, but boom, we go into stage one. See market going down, make equal highs, equal lows. Boom. You get a stop rate, breakout, boom, we go into two, uptrend. That's stage one. That's stage one. Boom, we go breakout, go into two. We kind of go into three because remember, this 50 goes flat, equal highs, equal lows. Boom, we break out again. We go into three, boom, right back into two. Boom, go into three again. And this time after stage three, we get the stage for a downtrend. That's the real distribution right there. Boom, you see that? So one, breakout, two, kind of go into three. This really was a wide two. Go back into three, distribution, just like on the drawing. Where's the drawing at? It's all good. Boom. We go into four. Boom, the downtrend. Boom. Lower lows, lower highs. After four, we go into one right here. 50 went flat. We start bouncing up and down around the 50. Boom. It broke back down. Went into four. You see? It just keeps doing the same thing. It goes from stage to stage. When you can identify the stage, you know what to do. Boom. When you know what to do, you got a higher chance of making money. We're going to look at one more and that's it. Video 17 minutes long. If you still with me, like, subscribe, hit me up. I'm about to drop my name, phone number, email. Hit me up. Boom. What about some AMD? Let's look at AMD. 1 hour chart. We looked at the 1 day. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. Where my price action at? Boom. AMD on the 1 hour chart. Been going crazy. Boom. Alright, you can clearly see what stage that's in. Remove drawings. Boom. Alright, this going up. That's stage two. What we get right here? Stage three. Look. Boom. Stage three. You see equal highs, equal lows. Boom. We break out. We go into stage two. Stage two. This the uptrend. So you know the stage. You know you should be buying. Where at? That's on you. I'll do more videos on how to pick entry points. But right now we just getting the fundamentals down. Boom. And the easy way to do it is look at the 50. What is the 50 doing? The 50 point up. You looking to buy. Boom, we in the uptrend. Draw a line if you want. Whatever you want to do. Boom, once we break the line, that's probably it's time to start selling. Oh, we break the line, we go into stage three. Boom. Distribution. And sometimes, hey, the distribution doesn't pan out. Oh, this is a wide stage three. Look at this. It's a wide range. Boom. Equal highs, equal lows. Look at that. Look at that. Boom. A stage three within a three. This whole thing right here is stage three. How do I know that? Look at the 50. It's going down. It's kind of going up, but it's really not picking a direction. And the highs and the lows are equal. Boom. Boom. It's pretty much equal. That's stage three. That's a wide range stage three. Then what happens? You wait on the breakout. Oh, boom. We break out. We going up. What stage we in? Two. We looking to buy. And there you go. That's how you read any chart. Made simple and easy, straight to the point. Anybody can do it. Throw you a moving average on the chart and ask yourself, is that moving average going up? Is it going down or is it going sideways? You want to trade when it's clear, when it's clearly pointing up or when it's clearly pointing down. This right here, if you're a beginner, you're not ready to trade that. You're probably gonna get chopped up in that. But I'm sure you could easily make money right here. Boom, when it's going up. And mind you, we on a 1 hour chart. So you got hours to make a decision. Boom, boom, boom. You got all that time. Boom. Wait, wait. Boom, we break out. You looking to buy again. Like I said, that's trading, reading the chart, made simple. Now, if you want more information, I go in depth. This was just a real basic intro video into how to read charts. But if you want to connect with me on a one-on-one level or join our chat room, hit me up. I'm about to drop my information right here. Boom. That's us, Master Key Trading. That's my email. That's my phone number. Hit me up. Let's get trading and let's get profitable. This is possible for you to do it. All you got to do is put in the time and the effort. And hey, you got me. I'm that person that I needed when I was younger because it took me years to get profitable. And that's why I'm doing this. So, like I said, if you want to tap in with me, feel free to do so. And hey, hit that like and subscribe button. I'll see y'all on the next video.